one. My favorite.
Yeah, the toast. Just watch it tomorrow because I think I'm gonna use the. Can we normalize eating the same thing for lunch and dinner? Like, I have no time to cook 2 meals a day.
Vitamin C and like niacinamide. Yeah. It's a bit eggy.
I feel like it's a bit grainy, the sugar.
Yeah.
I'm so upset because I lost a nail. I can glue it back on because I did my own nails. Sad it didn't last a week. Anyways, this morning I am going to make a acai bowl for my sister, and I'm feeling like having eggs and bread for breakfast. So that's what I'm gonna do. So there's been like flies flying around the house, and I think it's coming up from the air vent over there. Vent, because like I don't know how else is getting into the house unless we open the window or anything. So I just hear something flying around. So I have the fly swatter ready to go. Anyways, now I want to make some lunch and I'm craving some soup with some rice. I'm planning to have rice with veggies and fried chicken because I have some food in the freezer that my mom has left me while some parents have gone overseas traveling. Usually I would have already like some meat in the freezer, just need to like cook in an air fryer. Today is fried chicken and I just need to be responsible of cooking my own rice and vegetables, and I really want some soup, so I want to make some soybean soup. I'm using this soybean paste and I also have some seaweed as well. I'm just gonna mix with hot water and that's basically I want to attempt to make hand-cut noodles because I'm about to go to Korea in about a month and I've been watching all of those Korean food vlogs, and I know like in Gwanjang market there's this particular ajumma that makes hand-cut noodles. I really want to make hand-cut noodles because of that, but I kind of do it like the Chinese version. I'm planning to make hand-cut noodles with some soup with some Asian flavors, but it's not going to be exactly the one in Gwanjang market and it's not going to be exactly like a Chinese hand-pulled noodles kind of thing. It's going to be my own take of it. I'm really excited. Tiffany Cook. I saw her recipe on TikTok because I feel like TikTok's so much easier in getting like information really fast in terms of recipes, and so I'm gonna go try and make it. So the recipe is 2 cups of flour and 130 milliliters of water with some salt in it. Tiffany actually used chopsticks to stir this up, which I think is a pretty useful skill. Whilst I'm letting the dough rest for the hand-cut noodles, I am gonna cut some mangoes because my missus has been requesting it. I am not really good at cutting mangoes, so hopefully these guys will do well. I'm sure.
How is it?
Not bad. It's like the pork mince that mum made really helped as well.
Huh? So I'm on a vlog Korea, right? So I'm trying to test out like if like this would work if I'm eating in a restaurant.
Oh, you're gonna live vlog it?
It's vlog like a trip. Okay. You don't have to eat everything. One bite is okay. Just try it.
I just made some crispy turmeric tofu and I'm gonna go try it now. Anyway, so I just got the gingerbread drink and let me tell you, me and the server was so confused because I was like, I want a gingerbread. I'm gonna go try it now. Gingerbread flavor. Oh, it smells so good. Mix it up. It's so cute, like this. It tastes like a gingerbread cookie. I don't know how to explain it, it's so good. But then again, it is gingerbread flavor.